Nasa loob tayo guys ng Clark. Pupunta kami sa Clark Safari Adventure Park. Meron pala ditong magandang zoo. Kasama ko si JR at saka si Percy, si Louie Boy. Hindi na namin pinasama para mas madali siyang gumaling. Gusto niyang sumama para kay JR. Sabi ko, ang anak mo nakakaintindi kung hindi, bakit hindi ka makakasama. So, don't worry about it. Nandito lang naman kami sa Pampanga, hindi naman malayo. At saka, ubo siya ng ubo. Kung nakita nyo sa news, yung malaking nangyari dun sa isang mall na umubo si Guanzon, nagalit ang isang incheck. Si Guanzon na din, nagalit din dahil kasi sabi niya kung ayaw mo magkasakit, huwag kang pumunta ng mall. At saka wala akong sakit. Ano ba yun sabi niya? May kinain lang yata siyang maanghang. So anyway, aside from that, maganda din yun na hindi siya sasama dahil kasi syempre may mga tao. Although open ang zoo, open siya, hindi siya sa loob ng building, pero the fact na inuubo siya, sabi ko magpahinga ka na lang kasi baka masyadong mainit. Tapos minsan biglang aambon. You have an upcoming birthday, you have to be well for your birthday. Kaya hindi na namin siya sinama. Tuwang-tuwa si JR sa Clark, napaka-green daw ng Clark. Oh, tingnan niyo guys, oh, daing puno.
Like or something disappearing, and their reaction is so like amazed. They understand it.
They're smart.
I mean, yeah, we share 99% DNA with them, literally. Or I think it's 90%, but the 10% is obviously a lot, you know. But
this woman was performing the magic trick.
look at this.
Ito na guys, malapit na tayo.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Guys, paki-comment kung nakapunta na kayo dito at kung nagandahan ba kayo.
Turn left. In 300 meters, sharp left.
Oh. Hold on.
Oh.
Ay, dapat doon na lang pala kami, no?
We are at the Clark. What is this called, Mom?
Safari Adventure.
Safari Adventure. Let's see what's in store.
Adult kids. Okay. Mag-rent ng ganyan guys, kung marami kayo, 4,500. Ito pwede nyong i-rent for 4,500. Eh gusto niya maglakad lang kami at saka malaki naman to masyado. Sana meron sila ano kagaya doon sa Thailand, meron silang golf carts ano. Dito wala. Maraming ano, ito maraming makakasakay kung family kayo. I don't know, you can start here by the lagoon. That's big!
It's not too hot today.
No, it's not too hot, thank God. Oh, you can start here, she said.
We're gonna go to the lagoon.
What will be the first animal we'll see?
Moving. Why aren't they moving?
Wow, ganda ng pink. Nasaan ang animals? May kangkungan pa yata doon, Che. Oh. Oh, this is nice.
Sakura blue, but color pink.
Ano kayang unang animal makita natin? Baka langaw.
No one else here in the park but us.
I know, ha.
It's kind of a cool, weird vibe.
Tayo dyan.
Ha?
Pabalik yan.
Pabalik yan. So, we go this way.
Indoor reptiles, liger, primates, black bear, brown bear.
Indoor reptiles. Oh, saan ito papunta? May daan ba dito? Ayun, reptiles. Oh my gosh, exercise to?
Oh my god, when we were, the SD Zoo is all hills. It's horrible.
Where?
SD Zoo.
Oh.
It's literally like, that's what all the reviews say. Like, oh, it's too hilly.
There's a reptile with blonde hair. Manok lang naman na nandito. Oh, they have nests. They have the rooster and the hen, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, see Bretman Rack, you know Bretman?
Yeah.
He has chickens like that.
With the furry hair.
With the fur here.
Do they still taste the same?
I don't know. I think they're more for pets.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, look at the turtles.
Oh, there's a lot of turtles. I like turtles.
Donatello, Michelangelo, Leonardo.
Oh, dito pa Jess. Ang dami. Red-eared slider.
Oh.
May pula, no? Oh, what is that, Jay?
What?
Goat?
Oh,
Sheep?
goat, yeah.
Sheep? Ah? Meh. Meh. Buti hindi masyadong mainit. Spur.
Oh, so
Spur.
Alex had these. Remember?
Oh,
And they're
yes.
strong. You could step.
Oo.
Remember a kid? We were riding his
Si tito
shell.
mo, Alex, Che, Baelio, may malalaki siyang ganyan. Mas malaki pa dyan eh.
You could ride on it. You
Yeah,
could
pwede
stand
mo,
on it.
ano ka, tatayo ka dyan. Na ano kanya, kaya kanya.
They're kissing.
Ah,
Look.
It's sad, ha? Na nasa kulungan sila, ha? Ha, Jay?
Yeah.
Oh!
Ow! Kuya, jump inside. This is crazy.
It's so close.
Just for reference, like this is pretty.
They're sleeping. Are they sleeping?
Yeah, I think they do that a lot.
Oh, no, this is nice color, Jay.
Oh, iguana.
A red iguana.
He's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. I'll be scared to touch that.
I wouldn't. Not. It's pretty. So it'd be like this. You touch it and be like.
They don't bite?
I mean, I'm sure they do, but you could rub it.
What is that big one like that? Oh, there's turtles.
Komodo dragon?
Yeah, those are big.
Mom, you know those are actually so violent and people die to them all the time wherever they're from.
Really?
Like they kill a lot of people.
They do?
Yes, they're dangerous.
Look,
Look, look, look, look.
They're wild. Hi!
Oh.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Oh, nice color.
I want him to do it again. Hi, guy. I'm gonna take a picture of him.
Don't drop your phone.
Oh yeah, Mom.
Hello. Oh, this is a Philippine forest turtle. Where? Oh, there's another one here, Jay.
Iguana?
Yeah, look. Green one.
Really?
Yeah, same size.
Oh wow, he's cool.
Look at the skin.
I know. It's kind of crazy.
But
to
they
think
don't
about.
have friends or family. They're by themselves.
Yeah. It's kind of crazy to think about that they don't have the ability to hop a fence like this.
I know, huh? These crocodiles are just...
I mean, they
sleeping.
do that in nature. That's all they do.
True. Especially if they're full.
Yeah.
They must not be hungry then.
Oh, what's in here?
We can go this way.
Yeah, let's see this. That's where we're gonna see the goats.
Look at this. What is this?
Oh my god, that scared me.
What is that? That's real, ano? Ah, oo.
Mga ugat yan.
Oh, God, no.
Yun yung mga vine na.
Ang ganda. Pula ang dulo. Ito, guys, oh.
Oh, wait, he has a friend.
Oh, he has a friend. Oh, there's two of them.
Oh. Your alarm, Mom.
Yeah.
I'll see about that.
Oh, may nakalabas daw na ano, oh. Baka. Ay, ang dami. Tataba. Ito maganda kasi glass nakikita mo. Oh,
That's a hot dog.
may nakalabas. Ay, naligo sila.
Looks like honey.
Uh-huh. May isang brown.
Oh, is that a donkey? A miniature? So cute.
cute.
I'm gonna take a picture.
They're not baho, ha? Hindi baho, no? Nililinis sila. Mabuti. Mabuti yan. At saka tubig nila. Marami silang tubig. Hindi ko pa nakikita ang pinsan ko, Che. Yan ang hinahanap ko. Yung monkey. Oh, manok, Je, oh. Oh, pwede pala tayong lumabas na dito. Ay, ano pa kaya doon?
Yeah.
Ah, meron pa.
Okay.
Ang meron dito. Baka magugulat tayo. Nasaan? Nasaan na?
They're probably sleeping.
Sa unahan pa? Ah, walang bear. Para he said something about being fixed, something they're fixing something.
Oh, he's probably in the back then.
Oh, there he is.
So cute.
Oh, he's sleeping. Oh,
He looks like baby.
oh,
Dude.
natutulog. Ang cute niya matulog, oh.
He's so cute.
Natutulog.
That's such a cute way to sleep.
Uh-huh.
I can't believe that.
Hello. He doesn't care about the noise.
They're used to it. What's nice and what's not, but it looks cool.
Yeah. He can do a lot there. Meron pa doon, guys, dalawa. Black bear. Tutulog sila. Oh, there's a small monkey.
Look, there's
Oh,
another
there's
one.
another one.
He's getting his friends.
Hello. Ito na ang pinsan ko. Hello, pinsan. Hello, pinsan. That's your tita and titos, Jay.
Oh.
That's my cousin.
Hello.
Ang cute. Have big space.
It's kind of hard to see.
Uh-huh. Andun siya, guys.
Man, I wish I could see it. It's probably in the back room or something.
Yeah. We cannot see it. It's not here. He's eating. There's one here. It's not clear. Can you imagine if it's real?
You know, snakes do exist like that.
Yeah. And
Before,
big
too,
like
especially-
that.
Especially back in the day.
Yeah.
Some snake.
Green
at him, Mom.
iguana. Oh! It's social.
Look, he's closing his eyes.
That's a lot of
You would
iguanas.
think that how do they not have height to hops to jump out?
Yeah.
They obviously
would
know
think-
they know the specific measurements.
But you would think they would like climb out. Oh, this one has a very long tail.
Yeah.
Oh, Jay.
Oh yeah.
This one, look, chilling on top.
Look at him, Mom. Look, Mom.
Uh-huh.
Monitor lizards. I knew it.
Oh, there's a big one, Jay. Two big ones.
Oh my goodness. That's kind of scary.
A lot of crocodiles. Nasaan? Tatago. Where?
That's what's scary about animals. Like if you're actually in the wild, they're so good at camouflaging.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
He did that in Thailand, huh?
Yeah. That's the same. Look at the birds.
Where? Buti na lang kakain na tayo. Oh. Morning. Tingin lang kami. Is that real?
Yeah. It's side, see? See?
Oh, oh. Ah!
100 pesos lang po pag kayo po ay humawak po. Pwede lang po siyang pakainin.
Oh. You wanna hold it, Jay?
No.
Why?
I'm okay.
Takot ka?
It's funny how he's just right there.
I know. So cute.
Be careful. He might kick you.
That's cute.
Hi.
Ah,
Hi, horse.
ito maganda kulay. Ano to, baka? Ostrich. Miniature horses. They're so cute.
They're so cute.
Look
Oh
at this,
my
Jay.
God. That's
There's,
sad. Look at his brother. He's kicking it out.
oh, there's a restaurant there.
Kingdom Panthera.
Nagising.
He's tired. See?
Yeah.
He's cute. That's what killed the kid. Look at him. He's knocked out. Hello.
He was probably awake all night.
Yeah. Look, his tail's moving.
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Doon sa likod. Ah!
Oh, his head.
Just sleeping.
Oh,
Ah!
Hi!
look.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Hi! Hi! Ano to? White lion.
Mom, look. He's watching us. Look. That's scary. Mom, look. Look.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi!
He's tired. And then there's another one next to him.
How many are they?
Two.
The other one's just sleeping. Mga tulog. Ayun oh. Salim ng kuweba niya. Oh, ayun oh. Sleeping.
Where?
Where? Inside. The head and the paws. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
It's a wolf.
Walked in probably fast, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Like instincts.
Mm-hmm.
They definitely know that. I wish the wolf was away. Hi, wolf.
Black Panther.
That's so scary.
Can you imagine? If you...
Look at. Did you see its teeth? It's going like this.
Oh my gosh. The face.
Oh.
Okay, I'll take a picture like that. You
I'm
do that.
scared. I'm scared.
He's showing his teeth. He's mad. Oh my gosh.
You know, even one this size will demolish a human.
Yeah.
They go for the jugular.
You're falling asleep.
Are they drunk? Arctic wolf? Oh, he's there.
African wild dog.
Went back to sleep. Oh, wild dog. It's beautiful colors, huh? Look, it's spotted like a... What does the spots look like? Like a tiger?
Like a cheetah.
Like a cheetah?
A leopard.
Leopard, yes.
Mom, before we go, can we walk the way?
Oh, birds pala yung maingay.
Did a bird just say ahoy?
What did he say? Hoy.
It said ahoy. See? Oh, wow.
Oh, it's a big, ano? Pusa yan? Ang laki. Ah, yung ano nga ba pangalan nitong pusa na ganyan? Malalaki. Huh? Galit.
He needs a bigger space.
No. Pelican.
Like
He needs a big...
he belongs on the beach.
Yeah. But you need to be in a beach somewhere,
his
Pelican.
beak.
Sorry that you're there, Pelican.
Okay. Whoa, there's one on the ground drinking water.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, he's hopping. You are
the sun you love.
That's it, Mom. Look. See, Mom. Look. Look.
Huh?
It's sad.
Oh. He should be in the beach and
This is
catch
all
some
he
fish.
has? Like,
And
just
catch some
stand-
fish.
All you can do is stand there?
No, he can go to the water.
Yeah, but I'm saying in terms of just chilling space.
Yeah,
He's too big for this.
I know.
Don't
Sad.
post this. People are gonna be upset.
Look at the monkey there. You want to go restroom, Jay?
No.
What is this?
I don't know. Duck crossing.
Duck crossing, but it's the bones. Look. Badger.
Sarap ng tulog ka, oh.
Oy, naka!
Ba't yaya?
Jay! Look at this! Katihaya pa siya, oh. Tulog na tulog. Ah! Where? Oh, look at this, Jay. Look quick. Look out the house.
Hey?
Albino, bird cycle.
Oh. Oh. Python. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. Ang laki. Try.
Look at the albino one, Mom. I like this guy.
Ow.
It's a cool looking
That's the
snake.
snake that they used for Britney Spears before, huh?
I don't know.
In one of her videos. The same kind. Can you imagine being in that cage with a snake? I can't.
I mean, it'll be pretty easy to evade because it's not like they can chase you.
Or they can be faster if they want.
they're not going to be that. Oh my God, Mom, you're right.
They can be fast. Yeah.
I'm saying
Let me
if
see,
I
let
was
me
at the
see.
other corner though,
Let me
I'd
see.
rather be in a cage of this than the tiger.
No. I feel like I can talk to the tiger.
Mom, but that's how people die.
Yeah, true, true.
That's literally how people die.
All right, let's buy water here. Where's Kuya?
Would you actually choose to be in that enclosure with the tiger than the snake?
I don't know.
If you
I
had to
feel,
pick one.
I feel, no, I don't know. The snake just grows me out.
Wow, look. Tiger escaped his cage.
Hindi ko nga alam ng mga ganitong animals. He's in a cage, but he can come out.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another snake. It's molting.
Yep.
Oh. It's changing. What is that?
I need bear cat.
Bear cat.
A bear cat.
They're active. Oh, cute. They like to make holes. Do they make the holes themselves?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at him sitting down.
Let's go to the other side.
He's just chilling.
Sean, come here. Come here.
This is a bear. This is a bear trap. Ayan, look. This is a bear trap.
Ang ganda ng pagka-blue. Ay, naku, lumayo. Ah! Lalaki.
Jeez, man.
They're big.
Oh! That's so crazy.
This one's big and old, probably, that one. That's very big.
Which one?
That one. This one here is big.
Oh, yeah. Mom, look at that one. His front jaw's bitten off.
Where?
The one
Oh.
closest to Creopercy.
Why is that?
They're probably they as soon as something moves, they just so we probably got caught on another one. They always
This-
bite off each other's legs and stuff.
Oh, this one's big, Jay. Ang laki. Oh, this one to Jay. Oh,
Yeah.
ano nangyayari dyan sa
wait,
bunganga
Mom, look.
nila?
It's
Ha?
not cut off. Look, I think. Oh no, maybe it is.
Yeah, it's cut off. Maybe they were fighting.
Yeah.
Ito, Che, oh, ang laki, oh. Oh, ayan si Percy.
You know what's scary? When they go in the water, you can't even see them anymore.
Mm-hmm. Look here. This one.
Yeah, that is scary.
Oh my gosh. Scary.
Lacoste.
The boss.
Ang laki nito, oh. Ilang taon na kaya yan? See no evil. Say no evil.
Smell no evil.
And hear no evil. Oh, there's another eagle here, Jay.
Oh yeah. Well, can you take a joke photo? I'm not gonna post it. Just take it like this.
Anong meron, Che? Camel?
Oh, I'll send you a zoomed in photo of exactly what you want. Trust me.
Look
Mom,
at the
Is
teeth
this what you
coming
want me to
out.
send you for your vlog?
Itlog. No, the picture, Jay.
Oh.
Wolf? Where? Oh, awake. Gising siya.
He looks like a a friendly dog.
His face looks friendly. Yun din. Ito malaki. Oh, that's big, Jay. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one sa likod. Nasaan ka? What else is there? That's it? Okay, let me take a picture of you. Nasaan ka? Hold on, I cannot see. Hold on, Jay. It's too hot. Oh, here. Nasaan ka, Chi? Oh. Nasaan ka? Hindi ko makita. Oh, this is the view deck that they're talking about, I
Yeah, and
think.
upstairs is just the children's playground.
Oh, that's all in there.
Oh, this is cool. 1, 2, 3.
That petal seems dangerous to go on the petal. Huh?
Right?
Okay, ulit, Chi. Mas maganda dito.
Here.
Yeah, or sit like, not sit all the way, just like that. There. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. This one each. Okay, Chi, kauna. Do it on your phone. Okay, good.
Bears, like they found as cubs.
Oh, ang ganda ng kulay, ano? Ang lalaki nila.
Hi. Hello.
Ito naman mapula.
Oh, look, that bird from the outside just flew inside. See the small one?
Aha.
It flew inside. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Kabitay-bitay ka dyan. Ha? Come here. Ganda-ganda mo, oh. Wawa ka naman. Nandiyan ka lang. Wow. Ang ganda. Would you want to go to an African safari, Jay? Like they're in the wild. That would be nice. Huh? I watched
You would be able to see them in their natural environment.
vlogs about that. Yes.
You know, like running and. Oh, Mom. It's probably going to be like an aviary.
Aviary. That's big. That's nice. No?
Yeah.
So they're still building it.
This cage, then.
They're still building it. Oh, look at them all lined up. Nakapila lang sila, oh. Oh, Jay, look. Eagle. Serpent eagle. They're strong. Hawk eagle.
Owl.
So he's cleaning. Ang linis, oh. Nililinis nila lagi. Wala kang amoy, no? Hindi mabaho, Chichi, no? Walang amoy. Nililinis nila. Ayun, no? Naglilinis din.
Let's go to the cat.
Okay. Where is it now?
Follow me.
Oh, may tumupong papaya, Chi, oh. Hornbill. Ay, ito ang pinsan ko. Bisaya, oh.
How is your sister? Oh, I thought it said Arctic. It says Arctic.
So they're considered dogs.
I don't know.
African wild dog.
Yeah, but there's it's just a name. I don't know if the species of it. Because I don't know if it has the canine, you know? There's 3 of them
Where's the other one?
behind the one in the cave. Look. Oh my god.
He's awake! Hi! Nakatihaya na siya ngayon, oh. Mataas pa ang paa.
Yawn?
Uh-huh. That was loud yawn.
Look. Mid yawn.
Is that a picture or video?
Picture. He looks like a human lazing around.
I'm scared your phone will fall.
Let's go.
It is real plants. That's what the guy said earlier. I asked, where's the elephant? She said, oh, there's a revolto there. Revolto lang pala. Statue.
You want to go to the other mall? Why don't you go? Think about it though, wouldn't these be more expensive to use?
Probably. You said you want water? What happened?
Finish your story.
Yeah.